What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So the question of the day is, can Shiba Inu reclaim that 404 level by March end? Now, shout out to Watcher Guru. Shout out to y'all for pulling up. You know, to hit that like button as soon as you pull up in the building, man. Salute to the real ones that rock with me. So, Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, has recently attracted attention in the crypto market. Shiba is often compared to Doge in terms of its market position. The token's performance in 2024 has been notable thus far. Shiba began the year trading below the 4010 level and subsequently experienced a rally of over 450%. It also reached a yearly peak of 4045 in mid-February. Despite this increase, the token remains 67% below its all-time high from 2021. This recent price action suggests renewed interest and positive sentiment surrounding the cryptos, as the current trading price of around 402507, following a period of consolidation, SHIB appears to be positioned for its next potential price movement. There is uncertainty regarding whether the token has sufficient fundamental support to push its value above psychologically significant levels of 404 by March end. Can SHIB hit that level of 4 zeros and a 4 by March end? SHIB has slumped 11% in the last 24 hours and is eyeing that 403 level according to CoinGecko. If history repeats itself, it's likely a catalyst could rise from Bitcoin first. SHIB's greatest price surge directly followed BTC reaching new highs during its run towards 73,000. As the bellwether of overall market sentiment, Bitcoin breaching prior resistance often produces a rising tide. It could lift more speculative altcoins. So basically saying, once Bitcoin is pushing to new levels, that can make people more optimistic about the market. They can start searching for other alts that have done well in the past, and likely Shiba Inu being one of those projects because it is the second most popular cryptocurrency in the United States. So still without game-changing announcements on the fundamental side, relying solely on Bitcoin's rise may prove challenging to sustain additional multi-bagger moves. Developers continue targeting adoption in the SHIB burn portal to enhance tokenomics. So one thing y'all got to remember is, SHIB can still go to nice levels, but is SHIB going to do another 21 million% breakout like we seen happen in 2021? That is highly unlikely. The market cap would be too significant to make sense for that to realistically, play out. So we got to think of these levels like, different market cap levels of where we could see SHIB. Maybe that $50 billion market cap, $100 billion market cap, $500 billion market cap, $1 trillion market cap level, and think about what the price would be at those levels. Remember, at 1 cent, we would need SHIB to be at a $5 trillion market cap. So the overall crypto market cap has only been at $3 trillion. We would need the entire, which I do believe this will happen, we would need the entire crypto market cap to probably be somewhere around, 15-20 trillion dollars in order to see Shiba Inu. If we need to see a $5 trillion market cap in order to hit 1 cent, that's unless we burn a lot of tokens where that level of market cap isn't necessary. But if that were to happen, we would realistically only think about, if the overall crypto market cap reaches a level of $15 trillion, how much of that market do you expect SHIB to have? Think about that for a second. Realistically, you remember all the top coins we got. We got Bitcoin, ETH, the BNBs, the XRPs, the Souls, the Cardanos, the every other project that's your favorite projects at the top 10, top 20. How much of that market share do you think SHIB would actually be able to have? So we got to be realistic about it. If we see the overall crypto market cap reaching 15 trillion, do we think SHIB is gonna be able to claim 1/3 of that? Just with what we got going on right now, maybe in the future, but just at this point, it doesn't look like that level of domination in the market for SHIB. I do think SHIB will hit those levels one day as the overall market grows, but I don't think we're going to own 30% of the market, essentially 33% of the market, if we see the entire market cap of crypto at 15 trillion. So we really have to think into the future. You got to understand this is an investment. We got to give it time. Now, do I think this is going to take, a ridiculous amount of time? Absolutely not. Especially once we start to see, the effects from the Bitcoin having the full bull market start to kick in, fall 2024 leading into 2025, we can, really start to see a lot of money flood into the space, especially if we start to see prices dip a lot. This is a replay. If prices really start to pull back after this Bitcoin halving, this will be a replay of pretty much what we seen take place the last time. But this is what will be different. People seen what happened last time. They seen the prices get so low. We seen Bitcoin get to like 16,500. People were afraid to buy at that level. If Bitcoin ever does something like that again, you know how many people are going to be jumping in, including yourself? So this time we have more proof of concept when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's been regulated now. The SEC is finally, backed off of it. Now they are going after Ethereum though, so that's another, battle. But I just want y'all to keep in mind that you have to be patient. I know prices aren't going too crazy right now, but just be grateful of the levels that we've been able to reach in this short period of time. Just a few months ago, to be at these levels, a lot of people were praying. So just, be patient, y'all. Let it consolidate, give it time to refuel, so that way we can go up to those next levels. But it says, consequently, while a short-term surge driven by market enthusiasm could potentially propel SHIB to reach 4 zeros on the 4 mark, sustaining this price level throughout the week may prove challenging in the absence of substantial developments or product announcements. So meaning that, even if we could possibly break up to that level, we're going to need something to, keep us at that level, to keep people from selling off. Even if we start to see a rally leading up to the Bitcoin halving and we hit one of these prices, if people don't see too much exciting going on beyond that, they'll likely sell off. Some people will begin to take profits, especially if it starts to go quiet and we start to see a moment of consolidation. So that's all we got for this one. Just want to share that with y'all. I think it is. Let's take a look at the charts first. I think it's possible anything can happen, man. Definitely, we could see a rally, on SHIB. It is only about 9 days left, so a little over a week until the end of March is complete. But like, it's crypto, man. Anything can happen. We can see prices pull back. We can see prices go up. One good thing that I do like right now is if you look at the fear and greed index, you can see it's at a 79, so it's cooling off right now. We're not in that level of extreme greed. When we're in that area of extreme greed, people are likely to start selling off. So right now, you can tell we're just cooling off. This is a healthy consolidation, healthy pullback. Bitcoin at 65,000, Ethereum at 3,500, BNB at 577, Solana at 177. We got XRP at 63 cents. We got Cardano at 63 cents. Doge at 15 cents. Remember, y'all, always keep an eye on Doge. The fact that Doge is still holding nicely above, 12, 13 cents, that's a good sign for SHIB. AVAX at $55.26. We got Shiba Inu, 11th place by market cap, sitting at 4 zeros, 27.17, up 1.91% on the day. So it's a slow day. Nothing to be excited about when it comes to price wise, but that's what investing is, y'all. You got to remember, every day is not going to be just something to go crazy about. We're gonna have some days where the price is going up, some days where the price is going sideways, some days where the price is going down. That's just how the crypto game works, y'all. So we got leash right now at 552. Volume down 33%. Usually when we see that volume pulling back, that tells us that there's less money flowing into it, less money being circulated throughout it. So usually we can see the price continue to pull back if that, if something doesn't change or something exciting doesn't happen, if we don't see some type of catalyst. But let's see. Then we got Bone at 93 cents right now, up 2.68%. Right now, volume down 30% as well. Same thing. And remember, the name of the game with crypto, y'all, is to buy the dip. You got to buy the dip. That's the way you stay ahead of the game. So now let's take a look at Bad Idea. And then I'm not sure if y'all heard of the new Damn token by someone on, I don't know if it's a part of the SHIB team, but the SHIB team is really supporting it right now. It is built on shibarium, so maybe that is the reason why they're supporting it, just showing love to those projects that are coming across shibarium. But right now we got Bad Idea at 705,307, down 7% right now. And that's our update, y'all. I'm right now comfortable in the market. I'm not worried about anything. I do see, you know, if y'all hearing about this, you know, SEC going after, you know, the Ethereum Foundation thing, I wouldn't be too worried about it. Right now, also, the SEC was just goaded for, you know, acting in bad faith against another, like, crypto firm. So the SEC is not the end-all, be-all, y'all. And there's so much money in crypto now, especially with Bitcoin becoming regulated, that now we have even more on our side to, you know, push forward and keep this going. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate everybody. Check the links in the description section of this video. I got some free resources down there for your stocks and crypto. Also, my book is on Amazon. You can get that at the link in the description section. Vegas Inu token project links down there as well. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are